Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit's in good working condition, wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Does have the controls on the cabinet door. We'll take a look at that here in a second. Overall dimensions, 50 inches long by 38 inches wide by 48 inches high. Here are the controls on the cabinet. Come take a look at this side. Very clean machine. How can you live without it? Close the door here, power it on, start it up. Take a look at the O-scope wave over here. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.